Welcome back to the Happy Way Kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a really delicious vegan chocolate peanut butter protein brownie. You'll need chickpeas, plant-based milk, baking powder, date syrup, peanut butter, chopped up chocolate or chocolate chips, vanilla extract, Happy Way cacao powder and Happy Way vegan chocolate peanut butter protein powder. This recipe is super easy. Basically, I'm just going to throw everything except for the chocolate chips into the food processor and then blend. Now I'm just going to scoop down the sides with a spatula and then add the chopped up chocolate. Now I'm just going to fold in the chocolate chips. Now the mixture is ready, I'm just going to pop it into the silicone cake molds. I'm just going to pop them into the oven, which I've preheated to 170 degrees, and allow them to bake for about 15 to 20 minutes. While the brownies are baking, I'm going to make a really simple chocolate icing. I'm just going to throw all the ingredients into one bowl. What you'll need is plain coconut yogurt, coconut oil melted, Happy Way cacao powder, and I'm using date syrup, however you can use any sweetener of your choice. And simply whisk it all together in a bowl until everything's nice and smooth.